All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom vampire fang grill set that we just had done for a customer. You got two canine fangs on top and two on the bottom. As you can see, they're nice and like pointy vampire fang teeth. Here's the back side. These snap on just right directly on the teeth. These are custom fitted from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. Check that out. It's beautiful, handmade with real 925 sterling silver. 925, that's 92.5% pure silver, guys. This is not a cheap base metal like brass or anything like that. This is a real thing. 925 silver. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. You can get this for the top or the bottom or a set. All right, there it is. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.